Hey there, welcome to my channel. I'm Daniel Norton, photographer here in New York, and on this channel we talk about photography and art from the business side of it to the technical side of it, occasionally gear, and a lot of philosophy. So in this series called How Did I Like This?, I ask you how you think I lit something. In this case, it's natural light. A lot of people got this. It's basically just light coming through a window. This is the sun. The sunlight comes through, it's sparkling off that outfit, the sparkles are coming back and hitting here. It's just as simple as that. But one reason why I put this one up was maybe to just highlight sometimes the sun is awesome, but also to say you can make a shot like this. It's basically just hard light, right? The sun is hard light. If you take the smallest light you have, something ideally in a small silver reflector, and you back it up, and you took a piece of cardboard or some kind of thing and you made a cookie, you could create a light just like this. It's going to be a little bit harder to control, but that's okay. That's how we learn. Look at the sun, see what the sun does, be inspired by it. Because if you can create this yourself with lights you have, you could do it in the middle of the night, anywhere. You don't need to be on the 12th floor of a building in Manhattan at the right time of day like I was. So look at natural light, use it when it's there, but also learn from it. See how it can be used in your studio shots. I would love to know how you use natural light or studio light. Let me know in the comments below. Also check the description there. You'll find a link to my Discord server if you want to join the conversation over there, and a link to my Patreon if you'd like to support the channel. I'll talk to you soon.